Right now, as you're watching this, complete beginners are getting millions of views online with adorable baby videos while you're struggling to get 10 likes on your social content. What if I told you there's a way to create these viral baby videos in mere minutes without any editing skills and for less than the cost of a dinner out? Here's the problem. Creating viral baby videos up until today has been hard or expensive or both. You need to pay $200 to $500 per month for multiple AI tools, spend hours learning complex software, jump between 5 different platforms just to make one video, or hire expensive freelancers who charge $500 plus per video. Meanwhile, you're seeing your competitors with baby videos get millions of views while your stuff doesn't get seen. It's frustrating, it's expensive, and it's not fair. That's why we created BabyFace, the world's first all-in-one baby video creation platform. Watch this. Upload any video, our AI instantly creates an adorable baby version. Add your script or voice, choose from cute baby actions like waving and dancing, and download your viral-ready video in Ultra HD. 5 minutes tops, that's it. No editing skills, no expensive monthly subscriptions, no technical headaches. Everything you need to jump on the hottest social media trend of 2025, all via one simple dashboard. Baby videos aren't just cute, they're social media gold. They get 5 to 10 times more engagement than regular videos. People can't scroll past adorable animated baby faces. The algorithm loves high engagement baby content, and these videos work across all ages and cultures. Our beta testers are already seeing incredible results, building massive followings overnight, getting millions of views, and some are even selling these videos to clients for $200 to $500 each. One user said, "I went from 500 to 50,000 followers in 30 days using baby videos created with BabyFace." Here's the thing about trends. The creators who win big are the ones who jump in early. Normally, you'd pay $200 per month for the tools to create these videos. But during this launch, you can get lifetime access to BabyFace for just $37. That's less than what most of us spend on lunch. But this price won't last. Once this launch period ends, it jumps to $297, or we switch to a monthly subscription model. No exceptions, no second chances. Your success is guaranteed with our 30-day money-back promise. Create 10 baby videos, and if you don't see increased engagement, get every penny back. The baby video trend is exploding right now, and it's here to stay. Your tool is ready. The price will never be this low again. Click the button below and start creating your viral baby videos in the next few minutes. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Get BabyFace, $37 lifetime access.